In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your iPhone battery drain after updating to iOS 26. First thing you want to do is launch settings. Now navigate to the option privacy and security. Then tap on location services and scroll all the way down to system services. From here, turn off significant location because this feature constantly wakes up your GPS in the background, and GPS is one of the biggest battery drainers on any iPhone. Next, move on to display settings. Since your screen consumes more power than almost anything else, for that head back to the main page of settings, click on the option display and brightness and turn off raise to awake, then also disable always on display if it's enabled. After that, go to accessibility, tap touch and turn off tap or swipe to wake so your screen is not lighting up from every accidental moment. The third chain involves live activities and widgets, which may look useful but constantly refresh data and light up your screen. To stop this, open settings, go to Face ID and passcode, and turn off live activities. Finally, control background app updates by opening settings, tapping apps, selecting App Store, and turning off app updates so your iPhone is not downloading and updating apps automatically in the background, especially overnight. With these steps, you're gonna find out noticeable difference in battery life. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.